guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, then please consider subscribing to my channel. Today we are here for a huge Nykaa haul. Yes, you guys, Nykaa had their hot pink sale recently. I did share a lot of recommendations with you guys. I hope you've seen those videos, else I would link those videos on the screen somewhere over here or in the description box below, so you can go ahead and watch the video and can still shop from the Nykaa hot pink sale. All of my order is here and I am super excited to share with you guys what all I got from the Nykaa sale, especially under rupees 100. Yes, you guys, you heard that right. Everything that I'll be sharing in this haul is going to be under rupees 100. The sale was as crazy as that and I practically took advantage of the sale and shopped for everything at steal deal prices. So if you want to know what all I got from this Nykaa hot pink sale, then please keep on watching this video till the end. Disclaimers before starting the video. Firstly, this video is not sponsored by Nykaa in any manner. These are all of my personal purchases that I have made with my own money. Secondly, I would be linking all of the products in the description box below, so you can go ahead, check out those products, see if you want to buy them. I believe when I'll be uploading the video, the Nykaa sale would be still on, so you can still go ahead and get these products at steal deal prices. Third disclaimer, Nykaa keeps on changing its discounts regularly. So I'll be sharing all of the screenshots of the products on the prices that I have purchased them. You can click on the links below to see if you can find same discounts or even better discounts than that. That would be a great deal, isn't it? Also, the fourth disclaimer, I am gonna be continuously saying that I got these things at steal deal because they were over 50% off, I believe. Like minimum offer was somewhere around 50% and everything amounted to be less than rupees 100. So that's a great deal. And now, after all the disclaimers, let's begin with the video. First thing that I got from the sale were these Nykaa sheet masks. Yes guys, these were available at prices as low as 50 rupees only. They have a lot of variants in these sheet masks. I would be linking the product down below so you can go ahead and pick whatever works for you. I got this one, the red wine and collagen sheet mask from Nykaa Naturals, and yeah, these sheet masks work pretty well. I have lately stopped using sheet masks a lot, but you know, just for some spa days I like to have these sheet masks handy. Next up, I got these acne patches from Nykaa. I'm sorry, I have lost the outer covering of this. I would leave a product image over here so you can check it out, but I've also started using these acne patches, and these acne patches work really well, especially for my acne. They are definitely not magic, but they eventually do the job. Like in 2 to 3 days time, I had acne going on from a very long time, and this morning itself I just opened my parcel and applied a patch from this acne patch over here, and yeah, can you see the pimple? It practically does a good job at, you know, subsiding the acne. So if you are someone who goes through such acne situations and would want to have, you know, acne gone before any big day coming up, these acne patches would come really handy. And at this price, they were super affordable, you guys. I think it was for rupees 50 or something, but yeah, it was a great deal at this price. Next up, I got these Nykaa nail paints. Yes guys, I love Nykaa nail paints. They last pretty long on your nails, like as compared to the other ones, and they have great formula too. Now these retail for rupees 180, but during this discount at 50% off, I got it at 90 rupees, which was again a great deal. I just went ahead and grabbed a few shades. I love these, and I think they also have a Insta like nail paint range that was also on 50% off. So after discount, you were getting it at rupees 60. Again, another steal deal. You can also go ahead and shop from that range, whatever works for you. But yeah, pretty good deal, and I'm super happy to grab these. Next, I got this Swiss Beauty's lip liner, and I got this one just for rupees 62. Yes guys, वैसे ये बहुत affordable है और थोड़ा और offer लग के ये सिर्फ 62 rupees में मुझे मिला. It's very pigmented, very creamy. I'm just gonna give you a hand swatch of this one. मैंने try किया था इसे, and look at that. It's very nice, creamy. It's a nice nude shade. I really like it. And 62 rupees mein it's a steal deal, you guys. You can also use it as a lipstick itself. So yeah, if you're looking for good lip liners, you can definitely go ahead and try Swiss Beauty. Next, I got these Safe razors, and I got a set of 3 for just rupees 74, you guys. This is crazy. These razor, I've used them previously. I have used them a lot. I swear by them. And it's a pretty great deal. 74 rupees mein 3 razor, and that too this good. I loved it. I absolutely loved it. If you are someone who is looking for, you know, eyebrow razor or your facial razor, Safe's razor are great, and at this price, it's a steal deal, you guys. Next, I got this lipstick under rupees 100. Yes, you guys, I got a complete liquid lipstick under rupees 100. This one was just for rupees 95, and this is a nice red shade. I'm gonna give you a quick swatch of this one. Cool toned red shade, you guys. Okay, can you see? It's so pigmented, you guys. I absolutely love it. 95 rupees ki itni achhi lipstick, and it's from inside. It's they also say this is non-transfer proof. After this, you know, dries down, we'll just see and smudge it if it actually gets smudged or not. But yeah, it's a steal deal. If you're looking for good liquid lipstick under rupees 100, this is your pick. Guys, this is absolutely turned into non-transfer proof, and trust me, ये easily budge off नहीं करेगी. So under rupees 100, a great lipstick to have, and especially if you have long working hours and you do not have time for touch-ups, this one is perfect. Next up, I got these facial wipes from Himalaya. This is again under rupees 100, just for rupees 96. You get 25 wipes in this packet, and they're really nice, fragranced, great for traveling purposes. Whenever I'm traveling, I make sure to carry these along with me. They work as nice facial wipes, or if at all you end up with any mishaps, they come super handy. So, great deal. There was another offer. I did not get it for myself, I got it for my mother. But the offer that I'm going to be talking about is from this Fiamma shower gel. Now, you've seen me talking about this one. I've created a special reel for this one. I would leave a link for it in the description box below or on the screen, so you can definitely go ahead and watch the reel. I personally love Fiamma's shower gels. They smell delicious, you guys. They smell so amazing, and they also make you feel very refreshed. They do the job really well, and this shower gel retails for rupees 260, but in this sale I got it at 62% off, you guys. 62% off के बाद this one retailed for rupees 98. I got this one for my mom, and she again absolutely loved it. इसके और भी बहुत सारे variants हैं जो कि even lesser price में आपको मिल सकते हैं, and I'm gonna leave a link for it in the description box below, so you can pick a variant whichever one you like. But under 100, it's a steal deal, you guys. Next, guys, we have this eyebrow pencil from Miss Claire. This also comes along with a spoolie sort of a brush, you guys. What else do you need? Because just price में आई है, उसके साथ में एक और brush होना, great deal. Guys, I got this one for just rupees 68 after all the discount, and it's an amazing deal. I've also tested it. It works beautifully well. It's not super pigmented, if you can see. Yeah, like ये तो मैंने बहुत pressure से drag किया है, but you can very well, you know, just fill in your eyebrows, and you have a brush to go along with it to just groom your eyebrows after you've filled them in. So 68 rupees में इतना प्यारा product for eyebrows. Great deal, you guys. If you are looking for a nice eyebrow pencil, which also works by the way, okay guys, ऐसा नहीं है कि ये products कोई काम नहीं करते हैं just because ये 100 rupees के नीचे, नहीं, 100 rupees के नीचे होने के बावजूद they work beautifully and they actually perform. Next up, I got these khadi soaps, and they were also at a pretty good deal. I got these for rupees 70 only. They have a lot of variants in it, so you can go ahead and pick whichever variant you like. The rose variant is also really nice, you guys, and the sandalwood is again my favorite. They smell so divine. They're absolutely amazing. So if you are not a shower gel person and would want to invest in a nice soap, then this one is your pick. There are two deals which I saw which were under 100 rupees, and I already had them, but I just wanted to share them with you if at all you want to grab them during this sale, because they are steal deals here guys, and I just thought of sharing them with you. मेरे पास पहले से थी, मैंने पिछली बार भी सेल में से ही ली थी. So yeah, why not just save some money? So here they are, Nykaa Kajal pencil you guys. Now this one is retractable. This is not like a pencil formula. I've talked about this previously also. I swear by this, I love it. It's smudge proof and currently it's at just rupees 100 you guys. मतलब ये 199 की रिटेल करती है, but after 50% off you can get this Nykaa Kajal at just rupees 100 you guys. Amazing deal hai, you would not want to miss it. Trust me, you can definitely go ahead and grab this one and thank me later. And last but definitely not the least, you can also go ahead and get these false eyelashes from Nykaa. मेरे पास already थी तो मैंने अपनी eyelashes को ऐसे store कर रखा है. These are the ones from Nykaa. I've used them already and they work really well. मतलब आपको लैशेस के साथ ग्लू भी फ्री मिलता है, एंड currently after 50% off you can get these also at just rupees 100 rupees के नीचे to get such beautiful lashes. It's a great deal you guys. Also इसमें काफ़ी सारे styles है, so you can pick whatever you like, the simple one, the over dramatic one, or anything whichever you prefer. I would highly urge you that अगर आप एक अच्छी false lashes ढूंढ रहे हो, Nykaa does some amazing work in it. And also इस टाइम पे at 50% off steal deal है guys, अभी ले लो. So guys, that was it about today's haul. I tried to take the maximum advantage of this sale and I'm sure you liked this video. आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी? Do let me know in the comments down below which were your favorite products, and if also you found some steal deals from Nykaa, let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm way more active there and you can also connect with me over there over DMs. So what are you waiting for? Follow me on Instagram and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Till then, bye.